Good morning.
Where is we?
Ollie is in the Famine farm. No, the Famine village in Dingle.
It's the Slea Head Drive.
It is, yeah, but
Yeah.
in Dingle, yeah. So that's
Yeah.
where we are.
And guess what?
We're going to feed the sheepies.
Guess what? Look! Hey, sheepies! Sheepies! Hey, look!
Yeah.
Look at that fish!
Watch him. Make sure to take me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch this one. He's not going to do it now, Alves.
No.
Oh my God, just look! I want one! Yeah, look, we could. Hey. What is it, Pat?
Man, let's go up the hill.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh, look, a llama. Look.
You're
Llama.
not supposed to
I
watch through the
wonder
fence.
if they...
You're not supposed to watch through the fence. You're not supposed to watch
Do you
through the
want
fence.
some? Oh, look at it. Look at the face on that. Don't look very happy, does he? Or her, whatever she is. Oh, look.
There's a donkey.
Can I have some?
Look at that.
Hello, little ones. Just look, they want my food. I want them all. Think we'd get away with just... Oh, look, a goat. Oh, my God. Come here. I am really... I'm in my happy place, people. Happy place. Look, we have a donkey having a scratch. Hello. Hello. Look. Oh, just coming here to feed the animals is enough. I want some more. Oh, well, look.
Ah, the crest is lame. Ah, look at the lame one.
Which lame one? Oh, crater. Oh.
Are you acting now? Are you a drama queen?
Vicky's like you, a drama queen, after you fall.
Watch him limping. Oh no, she's bad leg.
Oh, so is that little one? That one can't stand on it. That's only a baba.
Yeah. Sorry, you don't have any food, they do.
What's the difference between a donkey and an ass? It's Ollie.
Yeah, don't mind him. I look after my family, don't I?
Hello, goat.
Oh, he's limping.
All right,
oh,
Billy?
he's another one. Look at him limping.
Oh.
You poor old ain't you?
Oh, Billy goat gruff. Look, he's got a smoke like you.
Hello.
Look. Two Billy goat gruffs together.
What?
This is a baby goats. We'll give him some because this little greedy one.
What?
How cute is that? Oh, everybody's coming now. Look at Dr. Doolittle.
You're well fed.
Just look at this view. It makes you wonder how people
You have to go.
how people could farm. Can you imagine what it's like here in the winter? How harsh it must be. Ollie and his mates. Let's see.
Ah, you have seen see before.
You see, they've all got a smig, Ollie, and the goats.
50s, 1840s.
Yeah? Oh my God. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
this is the main building. This is the main house where they lived in the 1840s during the famine.
Wait till you see this,
Yeah,
folks.
come
It
here.
is really scary. Look. That is freaky.
Oh, what about
Right,
that?
you were saying?
Nana in the corner.
Oh yeah. She's there, sorting the wool out. Oh, that one up there is scary.
Right, she's like myself, she's missing a tooth.
Yeah, you're missing many. Oh, that is freaky. I don't like these dolls. Oh, look, this is a sleeping area. There's a sewing machine.
Old iron cot. That's
Oh, yeah.
That's what we were rather than home.
Was it?
Yeah.
I always said you were ancient.
Wire spring.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I wondered who the heck that was then.
Go up and see his pulse.
Don't be so horrid. That is gross. No wonder he's in the bed on his
Where's that
own.
chicken?
Can you imagine waking up to that? And oh, it's a woman, isn't it?
No, it's a man. But he'll go there. He's looking straight at me.
Yeah. Can you imagine
His eyes move.
ladies waking up to that in the morning?
Well,
Yeah, that's freaky.
it's like me waking up to you.
Oh,
17 in the morning. We have to go back into the kitchen at the back.
do you? Okay, we have to go back into the kitchen. I can just imagine what he's saying. Oh, it's pretty crowded in there. If you notice the floors, these were original. This would be more recent. The old stone. There's a lot of history on the walls, as you can see. This would be a layout of all the villages. You got your Stone Age village. See if we can focus in a bit better. There. You got your Stone Age villages. We're up there. So this is kind of how it would look back in its time. Look at the tiny windows. They're so small. And as we were told before, the English brought in a window tax. The more windows you had, the more tax you paid. So that's why there are few windows, but there are a lot of the half doors, because you could have a half door and that would be more lighting.
Pay no tax. This is for making the butter. From the butter. They put on this on top.
Yeah.
And then they turn it up.
Right, just see if I can get some light on
Then
it.
wind it again.
Really dark in here, isn't it?
And this was for feeding the sheep. As you can see.
Ollie's blocking the light, I'm afraid,
See?
people. Nope, I
That
can't
makes-
see it. Let me go this side. Nah, I should have put the light. Oh yeah, I'm just catching it now.
There's where the sheep.
And I know what that is.
The shields went down there.
That is, if you can see it, peeps, a millstone.
For grinding?
Wait. He thinks I'm stupid.
Cranes.
Yeah.
Best skillet pot. Festival for baking the bread. That'll be for cooking the dinners and all that. There was the iron below. That worked on the coals. And there's your kettle for tea.
This is all original stuff that was found.
Absolutely, yeah.
Here. Right.
Do you know what it is?
Is that a piss pot? You know, for toilet?
No, it's not. It's a milk strainer.
Oh, right.
Right?
Yeah.
You have your churn here.
Yeah.
That sits in the churn.
Yeah.
And you have a screen here.
Yeah.
And you put your cloth over it. The milk is poured in here, goes into the churn, and keeps back all the whatever.
Oh, right.
That's what that is, a milk strainer.
And what's that?
That's an addition for what's that?
Yeah.
That's a grinder machine. It sits on top there and you wind down.
Your mate's back.
Hello, bud. Hello.
Have you got no more feed left?
Oh, here.
Come
on.
Save some for me.
You come up for dinner. Who broke which one of you broke the vase? Right? Come over here to me, you. Did you break that? Did you break the vase? Which one of you broke the vase?
They're not interested, they just want to be fed.
No. Greedy little bollocks. Now we have the old houses.
Yeah.
Here, that's where the pigs are kept. Inside the pigs down now, right? In here then. Now originally, this was a servants' quarter.
Was it?
But then when people left the village, more houses became available. So they put the people into the houses and they converted these in for animals.
Oh, right.
Because before, the animals used to sleep in the house with the people.
Oh, that is gross.
No, that's the way it was. But then they converted them. So this one here was for cows. So you'd have 3 cows here.
Yeah.
2 would be stalls there. No, sorry, one would be stalled there. And you see the ring for tying to the wall.
Yeah.
And the bucket, and the same here.
Oh.
But 2 would be here.
I swear.
And this was actually a cow house.
Was it?
The cow.
Still smells like it. You really don't want smell vision on that one.
Well, as long as it's your house, not the smelling, but we'll drive on over here and look at the poor boy there. See, as I was saying, these houses,
yeah,
they went empty.
Right.
People, they immigrated. So they turned these into cows and they put staff in there.
Okay.
If you call them staff, you know. But
yeah,
at the time, the helpers.
Oh.
Look at him.
Not happy.
Yeah, but why?
Because he's hungry.
No.
What?
Why do you think his face like that now?
I don't know.
What's he looking at? The Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah.
He was one that was left behind.
Right.
And the sorrowful face of all his family gone.
Right.
Yeah.
I still think he looks hungry.
Yeah, but look, the handout.
Look, yeah, his handout.
What about me?
Give him some of that sheep food. I don't think you can get in there. I think you just got to lean over.
Well, you have the hatch in there. You have the bite there with this plate, and the missus is cooking. You'll have to lean in the seat, love.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I hope she cooks better. Yeah, I suppose there wasn't much to eat. There's thatch for doing the roofs. That's most probably for the child. And again, I've just got to show you this view. Look, you see? I don't know if I can get it. 1 second. Is that Skellig Michael, do you call him? Over Enter Island.
Skellig Michael's over there.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking at.
No, you're looking to get into the house. Focus there. Focus, love.
There.
There.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and over here then you have you can see the thatch in the house. We'll come back here again to this lad.
I don't know what he's going to come up with, folks, but here we go.
I wonder, is that a likeness?
You both look as miserable.
Ah, look, the sheepies told me. What do you think, boy?
Ollie, just stand up straight. Give the sheep some food.
You come and help me. Will you fit in the back of the van?
Believe it or not, this is a beehive hut. That can't be right.
Yes, it is a beehive house. Please, the Celtic time. Many of the time, for you.
Wow. Oh, I see. Look at the shape of the dome.
Yes.
I suppose they all went up there.
What is?
The bees.
Oh my God, here we absolutely go. When you say beehive hut,
Yeah.
it doesn't mean it's for bees.
Why is that?
It's for monks. They'll go in there, 3 or 4 of them, and they live inside there. And they'll go away, jump their prison. They come back here, then it's nice, and that's where they stayed. They're only called beehive huts because that's the shape of them. Oh my God, lads. I'm going to become a sheep and run away down the hill. Oh my God.
Well, you should go in because you got the same kind of hairstyle as a monk.
If I go in at a sheep, it'll go in and kill me. Are you coming over here? I go today? Are you going to be part of it? Well, so, see what you're mean. Oh, Jesus. Ah.
Wide load. Beep, beep, beep.
Bah, bah. What's the family? Say hello to my kids. What are you putting about? No, you can't.
What noise? Ollie, what noise does a goat make? No, it don't. It goes, goat.
Lads, you haven't a clue what I threw up. There's no wonder I'm laying down with the goats, because you know something, they make red sins, don't you? You do.
That was a lovely time away, wasn't it?
It was, absolutely. And we ended up now in a lovely spot called Fireys. It's between Killaglan and Famine.
In a lovely little pub called Butler's Bar. Well worth to pop in. The staff are lovely, the locals are lovely, and they don't mind you parking up at the back. So there's only room for what, a couple of campers if you were going to stay
about
overnight?
3 or 4 campers.
You know, but
it's free.
Yeah, and they don't mind you staying. A few points.
2 pints and that's it.
And they're happy. You know, so
there's a couple of locals in there now as well, and there's 1 or 2 of them in there that has campers, and I want to go in and I want tackle them now and find information.
no, he doesn't. He wants to go and have more points. Look.
It's nearly gone.
Nearly
Time
gone.
to go.
And cheers. I hope you enjoyed it. We had 2 nights in a camper van park because we had a really tough week, didn't we?
We did. We stayed in Glen Cross camp van in Glenbeigh. Absolutely top class place.
And we ate in
the old Glenbeigh Hotel right next door. The food you will not get better anywhere. Absolutely.
yeah, it was really good and a very good price as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we will talk to you in the next one.
Yeah.
Say goodbye, Oliver.
Yeah, well, she talk anyway, so you know the crack anyway. Bye, Oliver.
More. Bye now. Take care.